Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to make PowerPoint presentation in less than 1 minute using artificial intelligence. There's an app called Gamma.app, Gamma.app. This app is going to make PowerPoint presentation for you in less than 1 minute, and you can of course modify it slightly or improve on it to your taste, but it does a very good job. If you don't have an idea of what you want to present, you need something to actually give you a draft of what you can improve on or what you can add more information to. So let's get right into it. The very first thing is for you to go to Gamma, Gamma.app. Once you visit the website, you're going to see something like this as you're seeing on the screen. And once you visit the website, you are going to click on sign up for free. Let's do that. So in my own case, if you don't have an account before, just click on sign up and create an account. But in my own case, I'm going to log in with my Google account. I already have an account. So I'm going to log in with my Google account. So I log in with my Google account, and this is the interface that you're going to see. So once you log in, you click on create new AI. You can see here, create new AI. You click on it. So once you click on it, you click on generate. You click on generate and you type the kind of presentation that you want to make. For instance, if you want to make presentation, you want to make a slide on liver cancer. Now just type make presentation slide on liver cancer. So you can put any topic at all, anything at all that you want to make presentation on. So once you type it, for instance, make presentation slide on liver cancer, and you click on generate outline. You click on generate outline. So once you click on generate outline, you're going to see introduction to liver cancer. You're going to see an outline that will come up. The way the way presentation slide looks like, you have to have different sections. So you're going to see something like this: introduction to liver cancer, anatomy and function of the liver, causes and risk factor of liver cancer, type of liver cancer, symptoms and diagnosis of liver cancer. You're going to see different outlines that will come up, and in fact, you can add. If you need to add another outline that you want, you can add it here. But in this case, I'm not going to add anything. And you can ask it, you can give it the opportunity to either use AI images for you in your presentation, or it will use images from different websites online. So, of course, you have the opportunity to also edit the slide once the slide has been generated. Now, you can see, I already have different outline, and I'm okay with this outline. Next thing I have to do is to click on continue. So you are going to be given, you can see 40 here, you're going to be given free credit once you open this account. So that free credit, this is about 400. So for each presentation slide that you make, they are going to deduct 40. But if you want to use the pro version, you can pay for it. But of course, you can easily use the free version to make presentation. I think you can make like 10 presentation slide, because you'll be given like 400 coin. So in this case, if I generate this slide right now, I'm going to be using 40, you can see, 40 coins to generate this presentation. So let me click on it. So once I click on it, it's going to give me a page. It's going to show me a page where I can select the theme of the presentation that I want. So if I want this, I can just select it, then come to generate. So if I want this, I can just select it. If you want this, just select anyone that you want, then you can click on generate. So once you click on generate, the AI will start generating different slide, beautiful, interesting slide for you. So if you have brain block to start the presentation, once you see this, you can have an idea of what you need to add, what you need to improve, what you need to improve on to make your slide more interesting. So this is going to be a very good draft for you. Then you can continue to build on the slide. You can add more details. So, and I think this is going to be helpful for many students. So you can use this for a start. Then you can continue to add more information to it, which will be useful for your presentation. You can see now the AI has generated the slide for me. You can see the first slide. You can see the second slide. You can see, and I can easily edit this slide. I can easily edit it to improve on it. Once this has been generated, then the next thing for you is for you to, of course, share it. So you can click on share. You can see share here. You click on the share. Once you click on the share button, then you can export it. That means that you want to download the slide now onto your laptop. And once you download it, you can easily edit it, because now it's on your laptop. You can edit it as much as you want. Once you click on export, you're going to see two options, whether you want to export directly as PDF, whether you don't want to edit it at all, you are okay with the version, you just want to use it that way, and you want to save it as PDF, you can go with that. But if you want to edit it further, just pick this, export to PowerPoint. So once you click on export to PowerPoint, you'll be able to make additional edits, be able to add new pages, add new slide, edit it, and verify some information that the AI has generated for you. So once you click on export to PowerPoint, click on export to PowerPoint, then so it's already exporting my own case. So now it has been downloaded onto my laptop. So now I'll be showing you other things that you can do on your PowerPoint presentation to improve the quality. Now that you have downloaded it on your laptop, the next thing for you right now is for you to edit the slide. So now once you open the slide, of course, as you can see on my screen, you are going to open the slide and you will see that you have one image here. You might not like the image, you can just delete it. You can delete the image. You can delete this watermark as well, made with gamma. You can delete it. You can look at the slide, read it, and verify all the information that you have on the slide. Maybe you don't like this image, you can delete this image from the slide. So it depends on what you want to do and how you want to improve the slide. You can decide to add new slide. You can decide to add new information. There's no reference. You can add reference to your slide. At the end, you can create another slide to add references. You can improve it. You can add new information that you want. But in case you have brain block, this is going to be a very good start for you. And of course, you can continue to improve on it. If this video is useful to you, please kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.